All right, so anyway, I just purchased this. It's a super slim pop-up external optical drive, and it's by Roofull, whoever that is. And let's go ahead and open her up and take a look and see what we got. And basically, you can put DVDs, all different types of, old style things that you have in this. Looks like it comes with a bunch of directions. And it has this right here. This is interesting. So I do believe that this is like USB to USB-C. Yeah. So this converts your USB to a USB-C, which will work great. That's what we're going to need because some of our devices just have USB-C. Although I do have USB on my iMac. And so we're going to take a look at this and we're going to try it out and see how it works. It's got some different things on this side. And let's turn it over and look at what it says at the back. External ODD and HDD device. And we'll go to the side. And I do believe that it has, that this is the front case here. It should open up. Maybe we've got to plug it in to make it open. But we'll have to check it out and see how she works. Anything else underneath there? Nope. All right. That's the Roofull. We're going to try it out. Might have to do a little reading. And I'll get back to you with the next video.